Hi guys, in this video how to arrange this data in the form of perfect table. So we can try like this, control C, and here we can control V, then we can select this cell and control C, and here we can control V. So it take time and more carefully to fill the data in the form of table. So I have write here a small command like equal ref row bracket and select the range and then comma and type the number of value of row. So I have write 4 and bracket close and enter. Here we can see that the data are arranged in the form of table. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.